Welcome to our fun Play-Doh video. Let's explore the colorful world of Play-Doh together. Get ready to squish, mold, and create amazing shapes with Play-Doh. Mix different colors of Play-Doh to create new vibrant shades. The possibilities are endless. Use cookie cutters to make fun shapes like animals, fruits, and stars. Let your imagination run wild. Roll the Play-Doh into long snakes and twist them together to make cool patterns and designs. Try using different tools like plastic knives or toy scissors to cut and shape the Play-Doh. Make a Play-Doh pizza or burger with toppings using small pieces of different colored Play-Doh. Create your own Play-Doh characters and give them unique personalities. Let your creativity shine. Don't forget to wash your hands after playing with Play-Doh. Cleanup is just as important as the fun. We hope you had a blast exploring the world of Play-Doh with us. See you next time.